Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you a very different cake. It's a black sesame banana cake made out of whole wheat. Doesn't this look so good? So let's get started. All I did is in a pan I roasted 1/4 cup of black sesame. Make sure that it's roasted really well. Put that aside, and in a bowl I took dates. The dates were soaked like overnight before, or you can put it in warm water, and then I added banana and milk, and then I made it a nice paste. Once that is done, I added oil and I added curd, and then I gave it a really good mix. Make sure it's mixed really well and it's nice and light and creamy. Once that is done, then after that I've added my dry ingredients. So that's I've taken whole wheat flour, then I've taken baking soda and baking powder and mixed it really well. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any other recipe requests, don't forget to mention it in the comment section. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is also mentioned in the description. So once the batter is mixed well, I topped it up with some black sesames that were roasted before. I just added half of it. Then I poured it in the cake tin. I've taken a square 6-inch cake tin, but you can take any other cake mold. So you can see I've poured it up, and make sure that the batter is spread evenly well in the cake tin. Once that is done, I took like a banana, cut it into half and put it on the cake. So you can do the same way if you like. Then I topped it up with the remaining black sesame seeds and baked it at 180 degrees for around 30 to 35 minutes. And see how good it turned out.